Hi, my name's Trevor. I'm here with the EBC Security and Electric. Today I'm going to make a quick video about how to use your Yale door lock. Number one thing is after it's installed that you remember your code. My code is 6521. I'm going to type that in, hit the star key on the bottom left side. You'll hear it unlock and open. How you know when it's still locked is when you move the handle and the gears aren't moving. You cannot open the door. Simply just type in your code, hit the star key, and it opens. When you're ready to leave, simply type in your code, the system will arm, go outside, and the door lock will lock automatically. If you notice, I can't get in. So now your house is secure.